Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to download and sign in to TurboTax on your PC using a license code in a smooth and simple way. First, open your browser and go to the official TurboTax website. Sign into your account or create one if you're new. Once you're logged in, find the option to enter or activate your license code. Carefully type the code exactly as given and confirm it to unlock your product. After activation, you'll see a download option, so click it and wait for the setup file to download on your PC. When the download finishes, open the file and follow the installation steps shown on your screen. Once installed, launch TurboTax from your desktop or Start menu. Now sign in again with your account details to access the software. After signing in, everything will be ready, and you can start preparing your taxes without any issues. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.